'07 Toyota Rav4. It's got the 3.5 V6 in it. It's got a misfire cylinder 6. Gonna be replacing spark plug and coil pack. It's a DuraSpark coil pack and Autolite spark plug. Iridium flavor. First thing's a little electrical connection on top. Gonna pull that carefully, and then 10mm. And you're gonna pull this straight up and out of there. I already blew this out. You don't want anything to fall down in there. Twist it, pull it straight out. Spark plug down in the hole. Gonna go down in there. 16mm. Go ahead and pull that spark plug out of there.
No, you do.
Spark plug looks a little fouled out, but it was probably still making enough spark to run. Probably the coil pack is bad. Yeah, slowly stick that in there so your plug doesn't fall out. Turn it the wrong way first, left. You'll feel it rise up a little bit and fall. You might even hear it click. When you do, that's when you start tightening it. It should tighten in easy. That way you don't cross thread that, damage the threads in the engine head. That's like 14 to 19 foot-pounds to tighten that. And yes, just slide in the new coil, kind of twist it into place, line up your hole, 10mm back in. You're gonna plug it back in. Carefully, you're gonna try to feel those connectors going in before you push on it.